morning children. Today I start class 4th English NCERT book page number 66 lesson Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. First I read the lesson, just you see. One day Alice was laying under a tree listening to her sister reading her story. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." See here, one day Alice was laying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. See, she is Alice. She is laying under a tree. Her sister was reading a story. Just he listened and is laying under a tree. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit. See here in the picture. Can you see? This is rabbit. She see white rabbit scamper by. Scamper means to move, hurry. To move, hurry. Scamper means to move, hurry. She saw white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes. See there. Rabbit has pink eyes and was wearing blue coat. Rabbit wore blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat. See there in the watch. Can you see the picture? See. He took out a big watch from his coat. From his coat he took out and see the time. See the time. And as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." See here, hurried means to rush. To rush. Hurried means to rush. Rush away. He said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." Next, see there. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk. It wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. Alice wondered, a talking rabbit. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. Then he saw that a rabbit. She thought this rabbit is something different. So, because that rabbit was talking and also that rabbit wore coat, isn't it? So that's why Alice was wonder. Then he followed the rabbit because she has curiosity. What is that? Why is hurry? That's why she has worried and she followed the rabbit. Can you go next page? Yes. See there in next page, the rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. See here, popped. Popped means to go somewhere without any notice. That type of hole that is rabbit hole. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. She followed the rabbit and the rabbit popped down a large rabbit hole and Alice jumped. When the rabbit go from his hole, the Alice also jumped into the rabbit hole too. See there, she jumped. The rabbit went down into the rabbit hole. Next, see, Alice said aloud, "Where am I?" she said. When she jumped, that time she worried. "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? How many miles I come down? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She think that I am a center of the earth. Maybe, she wondered, will I slip through the earth to the other side? Thump! Alice landed on the pile of dry leaves. She come near the pile of dry leaves. She stand there. She looked around, and also she looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. That time she saw that white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." That time that rabbit talking itself, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Whiskers, see there, whiskers means long hair on the face of a animal. Can you see there? Here, these are called whiskers. Hairs are there, no, on the face. These are called whiskers. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. Alice stood up, saw a small door, and also she saw there one small door about 15 inches high. That is in 15 inches. It was too small for her, but that door is too small for her to go through. If she want to go through, means it cannot be possible because it is very small. That is 15 inches height. She saw a glass table with a golden, and then she saw one glass table with a golden key on it. On that table there is one key. She tried that little golden key in the lock. She take a key and she tried to open that. To her delight, it fitted. Alice opened the door. When she opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden. When she opened that door, see there in the picture, can you see? See, she opened the door and she looked out from the door. She looked into the loveliest garden. See there, here is the loveliest garden. It is very nice, beautiful. Their flowers are there. See, garden is looking very beautiful. She had ever seen. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. See there, fountain is there, cool fountain is there. But she could not even get her head through. But she could not even get her head through the doorway because the door is very small. That's why she wished herself, "How I wish I could become smaller," she exclaimed loudly. See, when she saw a beautiful garden, she want to go there, but that is not a possible because why? Door is very small. That's why she wished herself, "I could become smaller because I want to go there." That's why she want to become a small. Okay, this is the story Alice in Wonderland. This is the Wonderland. Can you understand? This is the Wonderland. See, this lesson is adapted from Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll. Lewis Carroll. See here. Here are some new words. Just see new words. Scamper, hurried, popped, disappeared, whispered. See there, its meaning. Scamper. Scamper means to move in a hurry. Scamper means to move in a hurry. Hurried. Hurried means to rush. Hurried means to rush. Popped. Popped means to go somewhere without any notice. Without any notice, to go somewhere. To go somewhere without any notice. Disappeared. To vanish or just fade away. Next, whiskers. Whiskers means long hair on the face of animals. You just before you see that hairs are called whiskers. Can you understand this lesson, children? Just you read and learn this lesson. Remaining exercise we will see in the next class. Okay. Bye. Thank you.